Rich Perez with Dr. Joshua Culbreth. Dr. Josh, tell me what led up to all the civil rights movements in athletics.
Well, it had to be, of course, as we said before, Jesse Owens, and he tossed the baton. Like I like to regard myself as one of those guys that helped to do this as well. Willie B was the woman that did it for the women in particular because of her tenacity and her determination and her outspokenness about world events. And there's no doubt about it. Of course, when that happened in '56, she was a part of the big movement that came some years later, and that was with Tommie Smith and John Carlos. But she had already established herself as someone to reckon with in the world in, say, freedom of many things, of competition, of women being comparable to men. But she was on that team with Tommie and John Carlos in Mexico City when they raised their hands with the black glove in Mexico in 1968. So you see, she was a part of history still and went on to do other great things. And her last Olympic Games was in 1972 in Munich. So, and there, of course, was a historical in itself when the Jewish athletes were murdered.
Wow. It's amazing, Dr. Josh. I want to thank you not only for myself, you're a great friend of mine, but I want to thank you for all the people watching who admire you as well.
Thank you, Rich. It's been my pleasure.
All right, Dr. Joshua Culbreth.